Hello students, welcome to Social Science online classes. In the last session, we discussed the first Carnatic War and the second Carnatic War. So today in this session, let's discuss the third Carnatic War. The third Carnatic War started in 1756 and ended in 1763. Have a look over here. The third Carnatic War it broke out in 1756 and ended in 1763. Okay. So first let's know the causes of the third Carnatic War. What was the first cause? First cause was the French wanted to take revenge. What? The French wanted to take revenge. The French wanted to take revenge as they lost second Carnatic War. Okay, the French had lost the second Carnatic War, so the French wanted to take revenge against the British. Okay, for losing the second Carnatic War. That was the first cause, and the second cause was both wanted to establish their supremacy in India. Okay, they wanted to establish supremacy in India. Okay, and third was both were enemies in Europe also. They were enemies. Okay, they were enemies in Europe also. Okay, so these were some of the basic causes for the breakout of the third Carnatic War. Now tell me which are the causes, which are the main causes for the breakout of the third Carnatic War. First one is the French wanted to take revenge as they lost second Carnatic War. Okay, second cause was both wanted to establish their supremacy in India and both were enemies in Europe also. Okay, so these were the main causes. Then where did the third Carnatic War take place? The third Carnatic War took place, where did it take place? Okay, place, where did it take place? In Europe. Okay, it took place in Europe, Vandewash, and Pondicherry. Okay, and Pondicherry, which is now called as Puducherry. Okay, the place where the third Carnatic War took place. It took place in three places, that is in Europe, Vandewash and Pondicherry. See, this Vandewash, it is a name of a Vandavasi. Okay, it's the name of a place in India called as Vandavasi. Since the Britishers could not pronounce the word Vandavasi, so they started to pronounce it as Vandewash. Okay, so Vandavasi and Vandewash are one and the same. Since the British could not pronounce Vandavasi, so they started to pronounce it as Vandewash. Okay, so the place where the third Carnatic War took place is Europe, Vandewash and Pondicherry. Okay. Between whom did it take place? Huh? Between the third Carnatic War took place between English. Okay, 1 second. It took place between the English and the French. Okay, it took place between the English and the French. Okay, now we'll see the course of the battle. Course of the battle. The French, here what happened? The French sent Comte de Lally to India as governor with the instructions to suppress the English. Okay, why did they send? The French sent Comte de Lally to India as governor with instructions to suppress the English. Okay. Then Comte de Lally, he conquered Saint David Fort on the east coast from English and planned to seize Madras. Okay, what is here? Comte de Lally, he conquered Saint David Fort on the east coast from the British. This fort was under the control of the British. So Comte de Lally, he conquered Saint David Fort on the east coast from the English and planned to seize Madras also. So now he called Bussy, who was a French commander in Hyderabad, to help him in the siege. So Comte de Lally called Bussy, who was a French commander in Hyderabad, to help him in this siege. Okay, the English army. On the other side, the English army was led by Sir Eyre Coote. Okay, so it was led by the English army was led by Sir Eyre Coote and French army was led by Bussy. Okay, in the decisive battle, English army defeated the French army. Okay, in this battle, what happened? The English army defeated the French army. Bussy was imprisoned. Okay, Bussy, who was the French commander, he was imprisoned by the British, and Lally escaped and he hid in Pondicherry. So after the defeat of the French, what the British did? The British imprisoned or arrested the Bussy, the French commander, and Lally escaped and he hid in Pondicherry. Okay. Finally, Irkut attacked Pondicherry, and at this time Lally had to surrender to Irkut in 1761. Okay, so this was the course of the battle. And what were the results of this battle? What were the results of this battle? Okay, see, the war ended with the Treaty of Paris. Okay, results, what are the results? I will just write it on the screen here. What were the results of the Third Carnatic War? So first one is the war ended with Treaty of Treaty of Paris. This is the first one. Okay, first consequences. Then Pondicherry was returned to French. What was the second result? Pondicherry was returned. Pondicherry was returned to the French. Then third result was the English consolidated their power. The English consolidated means they strengthened. The English consolidated their power over India. Okay, they consolidated their power over India. Okay, power over southern India. Okay, what were the consequences? Consequences means results. The results of the Third Carnatic War was the war ended with the Treaty of Paris. Pondicherry was returned to the French, and French lost their importance in India. French totally lost their importance in India after the defeat in the Third Carnatic War. Then the English consolidated their power over southern India. Okay. Then Then what were the results of effects of Carnatic wars? All the three Carnatic wars. Okay. So here the effects of three Carnatic wars. French had to lose all their bases in India due to these Carnatic wars. Okay. Then with this, in spite of this, as per the Treaty of Paris in 1763, Pondicherry was returned to the French. With these developments, French lost their importance in India, and in this way English defeated all their rivals or the enemies and consolidated their power or position in southern India. Okay. Then let's revise what were the reasons for the three Carnatic wars. Okay. What were the reasons for the three Carnatic wars? For all the Carnatic wars, what were the reasons? See, after Portuguese and Dutch had withdrawn from India, French and English restored to show strength to establish their respective political supremacy in India. Meanwhile, what happened? The political volatility, the political disturbance arose in Hyderabad. It arose in Hyderabad. It arose in Hyderabad and Carnatic regions. Okay, and Carnatic regions. And both the English and French tried to exploit their situation in their power. So this led for the three Carnatic wars. Okay. Okay, dear students, with this, the Carnatic War, what happened? The British consolidated their power over southern part of India. Now, let's have a look over some important dates. Okay, some important dates till now, whatever we have discussed. In 1724, okay, Hyderabad kingdom was established by Asaf Jah. What happened in 1724? Hyderabad kingdom was established by Asaf Jah. Okay, in 1742, 1742, please note it down, dear children. 1742, Dupleix was named as the Governor General of French region in India. 1742, Dupleix was named as the Governor General of French regions in India. And 1746 to 48, what happened between these years? 1746 to 48, First Carnatic War. Okay, First Carnatic War took place. 1746 to 48, First Carnatic War took place. Okay, then 1748. In 1748, what happened? The Nizam of Hyderabad, that is Asaf Jah, died. 1748, the Nizam of Hyderabad, Asaf Jah, died. And in 1749, the combined forces of French Chanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung defeated Anwaruddin and killed him in Amber battle. Please note it down. In 1749, the combined forces of French Chanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung defeated Anwaruddin and killed him in Amber battle. Okay. Then in 1749 to 54, what happened? That is Second Carnatic War. Okay, Second Carnatic War took place. 1749 to 1754, Second Carnatic War took place. Then After that, 1760, what happened? Comte de Lally of French attempted to besiege Vandewash. Okay, he tried to besiege Vandewash. Then in 1756 to 63, what happened? Third Carnatic War took place. 1756 to 63, Third Carnatic War took place. And in 1763, what happened in 1763? 1763, what happened? Treaty of Paris was signed. Treaty of Paris. Treaty of Paris was signed. So these were some of the important dates till what we discussed in the session. Okay. Okay, dear students. Now we'll wind up the session here. In the next session, we shall come up with the British rule in India, Battle of Plassey and Battle of Buxar. Okay, thank you and have a good day. Stay home, stay safe. Tomorrow we will discuss the next topic. Thank you, students.